Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope, as always, you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today, I want to show you my next order from Temu. I am loving Temu. They do say shop like a billionaire. I kind of think it's more like a millionaire. Some things are expensive, but some things are super duper cheap. So, without wasting any time, I'm going to show you guys what I bought. This bag looks pretty hefty and full, but it is bulked up with a lot of shoes. So I'm going to show you guys what I purchased. First item that I purchased are these red trainers. These red trainers were £5.36 and I think they look super cute. What I like about Temu trainers are, and it's not that they're super great quality, but they are so light, really airy and great for my feet anyway. But look at these super cute trainers. I think they're adorable. I mean, you're not going to get years and years and years out of these, but for the price, I do think they're cute. And I love this red color. I have never owned a pair of red trainers before, so this is definitely new to me. I really like them. They're super bendy. I mean, they're beyond light. I mean, they feel super light, and I just think they're cute. They do have this little fake tie here, because they're slip-ons. I got mine in a size 6. I think they're pretty awesome. Excuse me. The next set of little trainer type shoes I got were these little navy canvas ones with the white bottoms. I love these little runaround. I love these little runaround shoes. These little shoes, size 39, which equates to about a size 6, 5.5, 6. Usually I'm a 6, so these fit me perfectly. These were £4. £4. Let me just check. These were £4.70. I mean, where do you get a pair of shoes like this for £4.70? They are canvassed, but they do have a second layer inside to protect you from the rain and wind. So I'm loving these little shoes. They are just too cute. Again, super light, super flexible. The next thing that I bought are a pair of boots. These boots were £8 and in total. And guys, just an FYI, everything here was free delivery. So these are the boots. They're really cute. They have the bottom, again, at the size 39. The bottom is this brown, almost plastic effect. This, oh, we have a shoe straightener. The top is almost like faux velvet, which is really nice. They have a zipper down the side. Zipper works perfectly. And they will be really cute for winter. Oh, I love the fact that they have a little stretchy bit right here. You guys can't see it too well. I turn it to the side right here. And they are super cute and adorable. And I love this little pointy, slightly pointy toe. I don't like too much of a point, but these this has a little bit of a point, so I'm really happy with those boots. And guys, the price that I'm paying for these are next to nothing. Like, they're so cheap. So I'm super excited to have them. I then purchased a little high-speed USB hub. I have purchased a couple of these in the past. These are fantastic. This was £2.36. You get a set of 4. You can isolate each one by turning it on and off at the top with the little buttons, which is fantastic. And it really is a high-speed hub. So I love that. Next item that I bought. This was a really random purchase. These are these little sleeves that you put over wires, and then you can melt them with a hairdryer to stop, you know, when your plastic around your the plastic around your wire kind of starts to fray a little bit, and these are just additional protective ones. I bought a pack. The whole pack was $1.78. And they come in different sizes. So you've got this very large size, then the next size down, which is thin, and then you've got a thicker one right here. So I'm hoping they will be useful. I don't know why, but I bought 2 sets of these little these little stainless steel like facial shavers. I really love these for the fine hair around the peach fuzz around my face. I usually take that off a couple of times a week. I don't know if I need it, do it a couple of times a week, but I do anyway because it makes my makeup go on so much smoother. So I purchased 2 sets. These were both £1. I don't know why I purchased 2 sets, but I got 5 in this set and 3 in this set. So this set is obviously better value, but I will, in future, I'll be more mindful about what I put in my basket. It's easy with Temu it's really easy with Temu to get stuck into this. You just throw loads of things in your basket and then you check everything out. And then you find you've got 2 items the same, 3 items the same, 4 items the same. Super easy to do that. So guys, I bought these little thank you stickers. I sell items on eBay and on Vinted, and I like to put a little thank you gift in to my every order that I sell. So I bought these little thank you stickers so that I can put them into a little bag and put a thank you on them. These were 69p, which I think is a bargain, because you get 500 stickers and they're super pretty, just like this. Super adorable. And talking about putting things in as a thank you, I bought some of these. These are just, this is a pack. This pack costs £2.59. Really random pricing, but £2.59. And you get 30 of these little individual poppets. You do get the little string, and you do need to attach these yourself, but I usually put one of these in, maybe a couple of different things in if it's a big order, in just to say thank you. I put these in the little clear bags that, if you guys have watched my channel, I love the sound of this. If you guys have watched my channel, you will see that I bought from Dollarama the little sealable bags. So I pop a couple of items in there, just like these little items. So I pop a couple of different items. I don't put the same item in, but a couple. And then I put a little thank you sticker just on the little baggie. And it's just my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to purchase off me. And here's just a little something to give back. I bought a stand. I'm just going to open it so you guys can see it. I purchased a little phone stand for my phone. And this was 50p, and you can tell it's 50p. It's really, really cheap. But your phone, oh sorry, it goes this way. Your phone just cradles right in here, and you can prop it up when you are watching something. So I bought that for me. This will be for this is a little travel item that I can take anywhere. It folds down flat enough to be almost credit card size. So that's that little item. And then the last item that I got is another one of these little cappuccino makers. I've bought these in the past, but I recently broke mine because I dropped it. Silly me. But this is just another little milk whisker. I do have a coffee machine that will whisk milk, but sometimes I just want something quick and easy. I don't want to have to set up the whole coffee maker and clean it out. So this is just a little frother maker. I don't currently have batteries in it, but it's easy to clean. I dip it in some soapy water. I turn it on. It whisks. It cleans. Set it aside. It's dry. It's ready to go. This little item was only £1.70, and I think that's not a bad. I don't think that's a bad little item. And these usually do last me quite a long time. The batteries need replaced, but that's okay. But I broke mine because I dropped it. So I needed a new one to replace it. Well, guys, that's everything from my Temu haul. I do have more orders on the way, so you will get some more fan and fun Temu videos coming from me very soon. In the interim, I would kindly ask, if you guys have watched this video, that you smash that like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Everybody, I really hope you have the most amazing day. Please stay safe. Please take care. And I'm going to say bye.